RTA Land, Southern California's oldest land investment and education company. Our number is 844 RTA Land. By just a quick show of hands, how many of you guys are familiar with the Brightline West high-speed rail from Las Vegas to LA? Okay. And how many of you guys are aware of the California high-speed rail from San Francisco to San Diego? So these are some of the multi-billion-dollar projects that we have land available next to, including land next to highway exits off the freeway, near solar farms like Warren Buffett Solar Farm. But the point is, we have a great selection of land investments that you can either develop, joint venture, lease, or hold it passively for high appreciation. And we have properties that cost from tens of thousands to tens of millions based on the size and zoning. We're having a free educational webinar Thursday, June 6th. So if you come to the back, you can see our drone videos and you can sign up for our free webinar. And for like the next 15 people that sign up, we're giving away free land investing postcards. And again, our number is 844 RTA Land. And our land investing webinar and off-market deals will be on Thursday, June 6th. Thank you.